Alright guys, so in this video I want to highlight guys how to order the best connectors for your helium miner setups. Now I am looking to buy a right angle connection for one of these little setups that I got going on. These both look identical, but there's one key feature that will distinguish these two from each other. So let's look at this one. And they're not giving us that many pictures neither. Okay, that's that one. And here's this one. So you see them numbers right there, 7, 4, 8, whatever else is there. This has a serial number. This is a better quality part right here. So if I was to make a purchase, I will go with this one that has a serial number versus